How's it going? It's a lovely Monday morning. I'm here in the studio and I'm going to be teaching a young student of mine called Blair. This will be Blair's fourth time that she's come into the studio for some mentoring. She's decided that she wants to put an exhibition together and we're going to be printing cyanotypes onto some white cotton. Now we did this last time as well and they turned out lovely. So Blair's decided that she's going to do an exhibition with the images. So we're going to print onto this stuff. We'll print up our digital negatives, coat up this with cyanotype emulsion, and then print them. And I'll show you how the day goes as we go along.